The call for independence sounds loud in the streets of Brussels, but for a change, these are not Flemings but Catalans who are seeking independence from Spain.
The demonstrators here, we want a Catalan state for the welfare of our citizens, because for the survival of our language and culture.
Yes, but Catalonia has a lot of autonomy already. Isn't that enough?
No, Catalonia, for example, in the financial, we don't have any autonomy at all.
Some Flemish nationalists also joined the demo, but most of the protesters hail from Catalonia. We have the right to have a say, says this demonstrator, whether we want to stay with Spain or become independent. Now, it's illegal. It's not allowed organising a referendum on independence. The Catalans have taken their protest to Brussels because the Spanish constitution excludes independence for any of Spain's regions. The protesters want the European Union to take up the matter and mediate as it did with Montenegro and Kosovo.